This is who we're building today.
There we go. We got the glitter color.
Mm-hmm. Glitter color.
There she is.
In all her glory. Herbal.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Now we're ripping. All of our doll parts. All of our lady parts. To take a look, take a gander. Starting with her head and putting her little necklace on her torso. Oh my god, on her neck. Before I put her head on, it appears.
Good thing it gave you that step-by-step instruction.
Yeah, to make sure that all of her accessories are on. Her arm comes with a ring bracelet attached already. So I didn't need to put that one on, luckily. Okay. Now we gotta find...
Looking.
Oh, boobs. Boobs on top of the torso. Is that right?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's...
Where do they usually go?
She's in such a position that is... I guess I wasn't imagining that necessarily. Wow.
She's coming together.
She is coming together. If anyone would like to put a leg together, feel free.
Okay, so here's her pelvis.
Yeah, there's her pelvis. That's so weird. I do like I like the crystal girl. Yeah. She reminds me of when in Atlantis when the girl turns into a crystal.
What?
Yeah. Listen.
Oh, because it goes here because it's crossing over. Okay, I get it.
You guys are like, yeah, that's where the torso, that's where the boobs go. The top of the torso.
Come on.
And I'm like, listen, you haven't put a lady together.
Yeah, look at these legs. Put a lady together. Oh, see, and I thought that one was crossing over, but it's this one.
That one's the one that's really crossing over. You want to put some feet on, Jessica?
Yeah, I'll put some feet on. I'll put her feet on.
A little breath doll.
Okay, which one's which?
Look at her nails.
Ooh, okay. Listen, here, we're getting 9 and 10.
See if she can figure it out.
Okay, 9 and 10, yeah.
Probably
this
one is 10, I think.
They probably go on the bottom of the legs.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
I think 10
them on their
looks
wrists.
like it would go here. Yeah, 10 goes here.
Oh, they're like actual
There,
shoes.
yeah. Cute.
They are like actual shoes.
All right.
Let's put her together.
Yes.
The final.
Let's assemble. Well, I mean...
There she
Look
is.
at her.
There she is. Here's her support, maybe?
This.
Oh, does she put her foot... Wait, is that's what keeps her up. Keeps her upright. Her boot,
cute.
her foot cast. Her boot. I don't know. Dollel.
Cute. She's beautiful.
She's so sassy.
Yeah. She glistens.
She does. She glitters. Aw, I love my Dollel.
Cute.
She's got a necklace that swings around.
Movable parts.
Mm-hmm. She does have movable parts. Yeah, you can see the joint of her legs. Oop.
If you got another one, you can mix and match.
Oh. Swallowed apart. Oh my god.
She's like slippery. Was it just me?
Yeah,
she was
She
kind
is
of
a little slippery.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a disaster. It's like in Toy Story when they stick the leg out to catch the whomsoever's.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow. Jesus. All right.